Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is another session on SQL fundamentals. And in this video, I'll be giving you some information on the select distinct statement. So let's get into it. So what is the select distinct statement? So the select distinct is used to retrieve only the unique values in a column. So keep in mind it's only the unique values and it's in which is in a column. So the distinct can be applied to get the unique values in a particular column. It's not applied to the entire table, it's to a particular column. So let's take an example. So let's say I have a sales table and the sales table has three columns: the name, country, and product. Okay, the so if you see, if suddenly there's a question that comes up to me saying that, okay, so what are the countries in which sales have happened? So I don't need to go and check, go through all the record the values in a particular column country and get the unique values. There's already a statement for me that helps me to retrieve these unique values. So that's when you can use the select distinct statement that helps you to retrieve all the unique values. So in this case, using this statement, you'll be able to retrieve all the unique names of the countries in which sales have happened. Okay. So if you see the syntax of the select distinct statement, it's select distinct column name from table name. So distinct is the keyword, and that's why it's always good to mention keywords in as capitalized words. And since this distinct can be applied to a column, we need to mention the column name from table name. Okay, so that's the simple statement for select distinct. So when you look at some best practices, use parentheses for column name as it is more legitimate, but that's optional. So if you don't, it's okay. Still your query is going to run. So now let's get to see some examples of this select distinct statement. So this is my database and I have some tables in the database. So let's say I want to get the countries in which sales have happened. So I go to country table and below that I have the columns. So now I want to get the unique countries. So in this case, I'm going to apply the select distinct statement and my column name is country from and the table name is country. So I've applied that and now let's run this query. And there you go. You can see the unique countries that are retrieved and displayed over here. So you can see there's no country that gets repeated over here. It's just the unique values. So let's say I want to apply the select distinct for some date column. So maybe we can go to the film table and below that we have the release year, which is of date. So I'm going to release year. I've mentioned the column name and the table is film, and then I'm going to run the statement and there you go. So all the movies have been released in the year 2006. That's the unique value. So even if you want to apply it to any other column of a different type, so let's say I want to check the rental rates of these movies. So I can apply the column name, which is rental rate from the same table film, and then if I execute this query, I get the unique rental rates for my films. So as I said, it's always legitimate to have parentheses for the column names, but if you have it or you don't have it, still it doesn't matter. It will still run. So even with parentheses, if I run it, I'm going to get the results. So that's it for this video on the select distinct statement. I hope you got some information and idea on it. And next time, even if you get a simple query like this, you can always shoot out your database and get these values for yourself. And just simple as that, you needn't go to developers or you needn't go to anyone else who's like well versed with the database to get that. You can always execute it on your own, and it's very fast and very easy also. So if you like this video, please do give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.